Now look at this. This seagull is looking up here at all this White Castle. Today is, what is this, March 1st?
Mm-hmm.
And I imagine that he thinks that he's going to get some of this. But he ain't getting none. Look at him. He just sits there. Get out of here. Get off my car. Don't you take a crap on my car. You're not getting none of this. Look at that. Ah, look. Yes. Yeah, look at you. You ain't getting none. And don't you take no crap on my car. Beat it. Look at him. He's not going to go. I'm going to have to get him off here because he's going to take a crap on my hood and I'll never get it off. Get. I said, get out of here. Get off of my hood. Get. Gee.
He's coming back.
Never a moment's peace. Alrighty. Damn, somebody just took a crap on my car.
Where?
Oh no, he's on. Where is he now?
Look.
Here he is again. Look at him. Alright, that's enough. Bye.